This lesson plan is designed utilising the Australian Curriculum Assessment and Reporting Authorities, known as ACARA, to create a hands-on learning experience facilitated by the use of digital technology relevant to classroom teaching. The lesson plan I have designed, which will be explained throughout this video, has a cross-curriculum focus on science. So the use of digital technologies aims to support students learning all about the water and weather in the world around them through virtual reality experiences. This learning activity goal is made possible by the digital technology of the Merge Cube. This is a Merge Cube, a digital technology that allows students to touch and interact with digital 3D content, enabling incredible and engaging innovative methods to learn science and STEM concepts. To explain the use and benefits of a Merge Cube, I am first going to provide a lesson plan example. This is the digital technologies lesson outlined in a table lesson plan template with a duration of 45 minutes for the Year 2 science topic of water and the world. The main required resources for this lesson are that each student has access to a Merge Cube and student iPad with the Merge Explorer app installed. The lesson would begin with a hook of a mixed reality video demonstrating the potential of what students can see utilising this digital technology. The beginning of the lesson sequence would consist of an introduction of how to use a Merge Cube and the Merge Explorer app. The middle of the lesson sequence consists of guiding students to investigate the layers of the atmosphere, the water cycle, extreme weather, and locations where water is located through the Merge Explorer app activity. As a product of the lesson, students would then use the Merge Cube and their personal experience with a weather condition to create a response. The previously mentioned hook of the lesson plan aims to introduce the concept and potential of technology to students through an augmented reality example. By showing the students the following video to begin the lesson, their attention is captured and a curiosity for the learning to follow with the Merge Cube is sparked. These are the 4 intended learning outcomes designed for the lesson, relevant to the digital technologies curriculum, as well as supportive of science. The first lesson outcome states that students will recognise that water can be in many forms, as ice, liquid water, and water vapour. This is relevant to the use of the Merge Cube, as students will explore and visually see, as well as interact with water in a range of forms. The Merge Cube learning activity will allow students to visually see and explore the different forms of water through an interactive object. This activity would therefore result in higher student engagement, participation, and information retention compared to just looking at images of water and weather. The second lesson outcome acknowledges that students will be able to identify the places water is found on Earth. The final activity which students would engage with using the Merge Cube is called Where's the Water? This activity allows students to engage with an interactive earth showing a variety of locations where water is found. One benefit of using the Merge Cube is that students can work through the learning activity at their own pace and at their level of understanding. The next lesson outcome states that students will experiment with virtual reality to explore the world of water and weather around them. The Merge Cube allows students to hold 3D objects in their hand, place these objects into the world around them, and further to that, explore augmented reality through looking for water in their surroundings. The virtual reality experience of the Merge Cube is a hands-on and is also student-led based inquiry learning activity that is open-ended. Therefore, students of all learning abilities can actively participate in this lesson. The final lesson outcome states students will create a visual or written description of an extreme weather scene. This is relevant to concluding the lesson and allowing the students to be able to consolidate their learning of water and weather along with using a Merge Cube. This is an outcome relevant to what would be a formative assessment of students' active engagement and content understanding from their Merge Cube exploration. These are the Australian Curriculum Year 2 content descriptors relevant to this lesson, as stated in the lesson plan, for both science and digital technology. Focusing on the Digital Technologies Australian curriculum, these content descriptors are from the Foundation to Year 2 year level band. Learning in digital technologies has a strong focus on developing foundational skills in computational thinking and an awareness of personal experiences using digital systems. Students have the opportunity to interact and explore digital systems through using EmergeCube and app software. This integrated lesson plan using EmergeCube with Science is linked to the ACARA Digital Technologies curriculum. Clearly evident as the Australian curriculum states, by the end of Year 2, students will have had opportunities to create a range of digital solutions through guided play and integrated learning. As students learn how to effectively operate and engage with the EmergeCube and also with the app, students begin to develop their design skills by conceptualizing algorithms as a sequence of steps for carrying out instructions, such as identifying steps in a process. In the context of this lesson plan, the steps to use the EmergeCube and app simultaneously to explore and visually interact with water and weather experiences. This image you can see is EmergeCube, and they cost approximately $20 each to purchase, readily available from numerous educational aid suppliers. The app which is loaded onto the iPad is the Merge Explorer app. Students will be successful in operating the EmergeCube if these 3 simple steps are followed and demonstrated by the teacher. This video you are seeing is called Meet the EmergeCube and was created by the Merge company to reveal to teachers the hands-on digital aids and simulations available. As Merge allows students to hold digital 3D objects, enabling the most engaging and enjoyable new way to learn. This video could be used within the lesson plan as a way to capture students' attention and generate excitement for using the powerful educational technology within their classroom. Now, not all schools would be able to afford or have accessibility to EmergeCubes. However, there is another option. In fact, this is a paper EmergeCube, which is a great free resource option provided on the Merge website for students and schools to utilise. Using a paper EmergeCube template makes this learning activity accessible for all schools and students. It enables students to take ownership of the digital learning experience from creating their very own EmergeCube. Both the digital and paper EmergeCubes are equally compatible with the app functions. This lesson would be able to be completed and successfully facilitated with either digital EmergeCubes or the paper EmergeCube. To demonstrate this learning activity and how to use a EmergeCube in the classroom, I will be using a constructed paper EmergeCube. The 2 main resources required to facilitate this lesson would be a EmergeCube for each student and access to the EmergeCube Explorer app. Let's first take a look at the EmergeCube. This is the 3-dimensional paper EmergeCube, which was constructed from this 2-dimensional paper template, following the steps outlined in this printed template. This template can be found at the web link below and either constructed by the students or by the teacher prior to the lesson completion. A purchased EmergeCube is lightweight, made from foam. Each side of a EmergeCube is able to transform into lifelike images when viewed through a phone or iPad device. The reason the EmergeCube was chosen to be used as the digital technology for this lesson was as I see it as a tool with endless possibilities to engage all learners in a classroom. The EmergeCube is a tool that assists students in learning experiences through the ability to have an immersive technology that they can access and operate individually and independently. The app involved in this lesson requires a EmergeCube and smartphone or tablet to operate. Merge Explorer is just one of 34 apps and virtual experiences that work with the EmergeCube. The Merge Explorer has a wide range of interactive experiences for students, elementary through to middle school, where students can manipulate the cube to explore a range of things, from investigating a smoking volcano to holding the earth in the palm of their hands. This is a demonstration of the Water and Weather EmergeCube Explorer activity that students would participate in. Using my phone, I am able to launch the app and scan the EmergeCube to operate the weather and water learning experience, as seen through the video. Students would be able to discuss with the people around them and critically think about what they are visually seeing within their EmergeCube through the 4 different activities. During the learning activity, students would be asked to reflect on questions of inquiry, such as what changes do you see, what happened to the water there, which layer of the atmosphere is the Earth closest to? Any lesson using EmergeCube and virtual reality continues to push the boundaries of students' imaginations, merging the physical and digital worlds. EmergeCube and the Explorer app is changing the way students learn and teachers teach.